There are two kinds of goals that all of you will have. One is called personal goals. One is called measurement goals. What is personal goals? Personal goals, I am not in a race to be the number one. I know what I have done and I want to improve, I want to become better. If I am improving, I am satisfied. That's a personal goal. Measurable goals, on the other hand, are goals where it is compared to somebody else. So I want to be the, let's say in sports, highest run scorer in IPL. Now that's a measurement goal. I have to be number one. Personal goal will be, last time I scored 500 runs, this time I want to score at least 600 runs. If I happen to be the first, nothing like that out of 600. If I happen to be the 25th, I have no regret. Anyway, I wanted to score 600 and I scored 600. That's about me with respect to my past. Only those who can be in the groove of personal goals can move to measurement goals. You cannot want to be number one without focusing on your improvement. Not possible. And that's what accountability is all about. So it's not about working from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. It's about results. As the saying goes, nobody ever asks a pregnant woman, tell me about your labor pains. Everybody says, show me the baby. Did you deliver a child or not? नहीं मेरा लेबर पेन 18 घंटा है. बच्चा किधर है? नहीं सुनो ना कितना लेबर पेन हुआ. बच्चा किधर है? Have you even asked your wife how much was her labor pain? The world is not interested in your labor pain. So the world is not interested in your effort. You work for half an hour if you want, but produce result. If you can work for half an hour and produce results, your boss will salute you. Instead of you having to salute your boss. Being busy and achieving things are two different things. Most salesmen believe if they are busy enough, they are justifying their salary. Being busy means nothing. Producing results is what counts. And that is what accountability is all about. Am I able to produce the account specific results? Do I have that ability? That's how the word accountability has come. Proper accounts, proper flow, everything will be proper. Unfortunately, most salesmen don't like this language. They want the world to clap for the labor pains. Doesn't hold any value. So don't be happy with how busy you are. And don't try to prove your loyalty to the organization by working till 10 o'clock in the night. Prove the loyalty to your organization and your value to the organization by producing results. What did you achieve? That is what accountability is all about. To help you to do that, take help from somebody.